Hello guys, today I am going to install a new unit, 554B, or the new one that they call use a new Freon R32 or 454B. And this condenser unit is old, it's very old. Use R22. This is the Goodman 2.5 ton. So today I will replace this with the new system 454B. If you guys want to watch along, let's see. I will do it from the start to finish. And I just want to let you know, I never ever installed a new system before. The new one just come out with the new Freon 454B or R32. I never installed it, but I used to install the R22 and 4 and 10A. I do several of them, but the new one I never installed. So I hire a couple of my friends. He been in this business for a very long time, and they have been installed the new system, several of them. So they have a lot of experience. So I'm gonna let them do it for me, so I can watch them. So I want to make sure I get 100% right, because I never ever installed a new one. So let's watch it together. So now, before you install, replace with your old, this is R22, before you replace with the new one, first thing first, you have to remove the Freon R22 into the cylinder for recycle. And in this case, I don't have to do all of that, because this system's already leak out. It completely leak out. I put my gauge in, it's zero, so everything completely empty. So I do this. It's not more for my house or for the customer. This is for my my younger brother. So I do it for him. So he asked me to do it, so I do it for him. So let's what we do first, after you recycle Freon, and then you turn the powers off. So let's go inside. First thing first, I'm gonna show you step by step. So use your control panel. So you're looking here. So my AC 15. Yeah. So I turn it off position, and then my furnace, it should be here. It's number 10. So my furnace number 10 right here. Yeah. Check it. So my furnace off, my AC off. It's my AC's off. So make sure it's everything off before you start to do anything. Off, and then I's already okay. The thermostat, I already turned it off. So I turned the thermostat off. Now it's off. So here, furnace. So we already turned off the power. So all we got to do is cut off that pipe here, and then disconnect the line. You have to cut that line, because you can cut it now, but I want to do outside first. But the Freon's already out. There's no Freon left in here. Both of them's empty. Liquid or suction lines, everything's empty. And then you disconnect that lower wire here, disconnected from the furnace, and then you remove the furnace, disconnect this pipe, take it out, cut this, disconnect the wire, and then you can turn off the power here, the switch, and then you remove the furnace and the coil. That's it, and then we put the new one in. So let's go back outside. So I need to so let's cut this, because I put the gate is empty. It's already, I think it's already cut. I just cut it. So I already cut, disconnect it. See, I cut both lines, and then you disconnect this power, which is, it should be no power because we already turned off the control panel inside. You turn off this power, you just turn it off. And I always check, even though we turn it off, to make sure it's no power coming out. It's just for protection. It's nothing, so it completely, no more power. So all you gotta do is take it out. Old furnace. The new system has arrived. Here, it's 3-ton American Standard. I'll show you the serious number. It's used Freon R454B-A2L, 4-pound, free charge. brand new. Brand new furnace.
Cái hộp tôi cho ông vô đó đâu rồi đâu rồi.
So it's a new coil. Okay. So guys, this is American Standard Coil 454B and 454B or R32. They use some kind of gas, and this is the alarm. This is the box right here. This is for the alarm in case if your if in case it's leaking in the furnace or in the coil, the alarm will shut off. Prevent it from fire in the house, you know, prevent from fire too. So this is a new one. That's why it's that's why I try to tell you guys that I never ever installed the 554B before because of this system right here, the box right here. And in this case, I don't think it's that hard because it's American Standard and the trend, they put everything together for you. You don't have to open the book menu, do step by step. I mean, so it's easy. They hook it up for you automatically, so you don't have to do a lot of stuff. I guess just hook it up and that's it. And I didn't know that. I was like, well, because I never installed American Standard, or I mean 454B before, and I don't know how to wire the alarm system, you know. So I want to make sure I want to watch them, so make sure I get it right the next time when I do it. So that's why I watch them to do it. But since they brought it here, so I look at it, it's automatic. They made it, they hook it up, the box, everything, they put it in, so everything together, so you don't have to wire by yourself, you know, blue, white, red, black, or whatever, the common, whatever. It's just, this is automatic. That is good. It's just want to know.
Oh, shit, broke already. What's the yellow? Oh,
There's no yellow on the, I guess they use
the yellow for the blue.
yeah, the blue, yeah, the yellow, yeah, they don't have yellow.
They use battery thermostat, right?
And there they use the freaking old thermostat, the one that I don't think no battery.
Use Mercury one.
Yeah, the old one, you know, the one
Mercury.
that yeah.
I'm gonna go see it now. That's a Mercury one. So the blue is for the AC.
So normally these go to the circuit control board, right? If you don't have like the old system, so all of these go to that thing.
Yeah.
So now since you use that, so they split a half. the half go to the circuit control board and the other half connect with the, okay. I see.
The blue is for AC.
Blue and yellow. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we done. It's running pretty good, quiet. I can feel it's hot. It's hot air coming out, and it sound quiet. This is American Standard 3-ton. Good.